Hello dear students, welcome to e-learning class of DAV Moil Public School Standard 10 Mathematics. I am your mathematics teacher Varun Chauhan and today I am going to take your session on application of trigonometry. So student, let's start our today's topic. In ancient time, astronomers have used trigonometry to calculate the distance from Earth to the stars. Maps are constructed with the help of the knowledge of trigonometry. Trigonometry is used in everyday life around us. Sometimes it may not be easily possible to measure with a measuring tape the height of a big tree, apartment, tower, the width of a river, and the distance between a ship and the lighthouse. We can determine these with the knowledge of trigonometry. So student, in this topic basically we'll discuss about height and distance. So in this topic the first concept is the line of sight. So what is the line of sight? The line of sight is the imaginary line drawn from the eye of the observer to the top of a mirror when a person is looking at the top of the mirror. Second, there is angle of elevation. What is angle of elevation? So here the angle of elevation is the angle made by the line of sight to the top of the object and the horizontal line. Here we can say the angle of elevation is made when we look up to the object. And the students, our second topic in this height and distance is angle of depression. So an angle of depression is made when the observer needs to look down the sea of the object. The angle between the horizontal line and the line of sight is angle of depression when the horizontal line is above the angle. Now student, here are some solved example based on today's topic. So in this first example, we have to find the height of the flagpole if the pole of elevation is 30 degree and the distance of flag from the observer is 15 meter. So let us consider the height of the flagpole, that is x. So after that we here, as we know the length of this distance between the flag and the observer is 15 meter. So here we can calculate x. We need to take the trigonometric ratio which include perpendicular and base. So as we know, tan is include perpendicular and base. So here we can write its angle of elevation is 30. So we'll write tan 30 which is equal to x by 15. We know tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So from that we get x is equal to 15 by root 3, that is of 8.66. So here approximately we can calculate the height of the flagpole is 9 meter. Student, similarly we'll see the second example, that is a child was playing at the top of the hill. He had thrown a stone in the lake from the hill. The distance covered by the stone was 150 meter and the angle of depression was 30 degree. Then what is the height of the hill? Here we'll use the angle of depression because the boy at the top of the hill, and when we see down to the object then it forms angle of depression. So let us consider the height of the hill be h. Therefore the hypotenuse is 150 meter and the angle of depression is 30 degree. So as we know, our hypotenuse and perpendicular which include that is sine, and the sine theta is given, that is of 30 degrees. So we'll say here sine equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is of h upon 150. But as we know sine theta is equal to 1 by 2. So here we write 1 by 2 is equal to h by 150. From that, after calculation, here we get h is equal to 75. It means that the height of the hill is 75 meter. Student, this is another variety of solved example, that is the angle of elevation of the top of building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree and the angle of deviation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 45 degree. If the tower is 30 meter high, find the height of the building. Here So first of all, we'll consider here AB is the tower of the height, that is of 30 meter, and CD is the building. Now in triangle ABC, here we get tan 45, that is of AB upon BC. So here we know the length of AB, that is of 30 meter. So 30 by BC, that is of x, which is equal to tan 45, that is 1. So from that here we get x is equal to 30 meter. Similarly, in triangle DCB, again we'll write tan 30, which is equal to h by x. So from that here we get the value of h, that is of 30 by root 3. So from that we'll write here 30, after rationalization, 30 root 3 by 3, that is of 10 root 3. So after calculating that, here we get height is equal to 10 into 1.732, that is of 17.32, and that is the height of the building. Student, here are some questions based on today's topic. So note down this question as an assignment in your mathematics copy and solve it. Students, I hope you enjoyed today's session. We'll meet again with another interesting video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.